Hi, welcome to English class. Let's learn vehicles today. Bus, bus, bus. Say bus. Plane, plane, plane. Say plane. Sailboat, sailboat, sailboat. Say sailboat. Taxi cab, taxi cab, taxi cab. Say taxi cab. Shuttle, shuttle, shuttle. Say shuttle. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Say helicopter. Ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. Say ambulance. Submarine, submarine, submarine. Say submarine. Dump truck, dump truck, dump truck. Say dump truck. Racing car, racing car, racing car. Say racing car. Motorbike, motorbike, motorbike. Say motorbike. Moped, moped. Say moped, moped. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon, hot air balloon. Say hot air balloon. Train, train, train. Say train. Police car, police car, police car. Say police car. UFO, UFO, UFO. Say UFO. Truck, truck, truck. Say truck. Tow truck, tow truck, tow truck. Say tow truck. Utility truck, utility truck, utility truck. Say utility truck. Blimp, blimp, blimp. Say blimp. Tractor, tractor, tractor. Say tractor. Ship, ship, ship. Say ship. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please like, subscribe and share to our channel. Bye.